Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Oyewale, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I draw this my debut project. This is what I'm going to be showing you how I draw it and how you can draw that yours on the last, using this to generate your ready to use pattern is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Your first timer, consider subscribing. Come with me to see how I'm going to be doing it step by step. What I want to use to draw the pattern out, and to start with I will be cutting this, come in here to join all my lines out. This line is remodeled, so if you have issue drawing this line out, please I have a video that gives details of how I generate all this line out. This is this which I make in my previous video, and then for you to have a full detail of it, you can subscribe and check my videos on my channel. Also, coming up right now, what I want to show you here is just to draft this out. I want to draft this out right now. We work with the derby, and then we want to draft the derby out. We'll draft the derby design out. Okay, I've done that, and what I'm going to do here is to then come over here and then draft this out. I'm going to draft this out, and then I come in here. I'm going to draft this way. So what I've done is I've been able to draft this like this. Working with this project is very easy. You get to draw what you just need to draw. At the point you have all these lines, joining all the other lines is quite easy. Knowing that coming down in here, I drop at my lateral lower ball points in here, so it's good that way. So the next thing you're going to do is if you have the cap tool, you can come over and measure or cap tool different distance you want in there between your verb points. Okay, if you want a 3-inch distance, and then enter it down, then come over and then walk around this. Walk around this. So working this, having this now, this is as good. We're good to go. We're done with this. So the next thing we need to do right now is to come over here. I come here to just get a straight line out. The straight line I want to get out is to just connect all this. I need to connect this to make my line, my lacing O. Yes, to make my lacing O out. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I've done this now, so I've been able to get all this, my lacing O. I've been able to get this out right now. So coming from there, I can come in here to take the verb opening stitch down in here, very close to the low ball point. So I have that, and then I have this. So with this, I have my derby marked out. I have my derby fully marked out like this. So what we have in here is that the tongue in here coming down, having an invisible slash down this way. That will be more detailed when we start cutting this out on our pattern. But for now, I've been able to just it out, and for you to see a clear view of it. So coming up in here, I just have to do this. So I've done. Checking it out, is now fully marked out. So this is just the basic drawing of a derby, and then this is it. The next thing I will be doing on this derby So this is it. You're gonna, right now you're having a full view of the image you draw. So this is Adobe, and we're done with this Adobe. If you like what you see, give a thumbs up for this video, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, this is just one out of the series of pattern making projects I have on my channel. So for you to see more of this, don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be notified when I release an awesome video about the 3D format at which it is to a 2D format which is a ready to use pattern. Thank you so much. Look forward to have you in my subsequent upload.